Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more videos like this and press bell icon for notifications. There are several ways to increase traffic to your YouTube channel, including optimize your video titles and descriptions. Use clear and descriptive titles and descriptions for your videos, including relevant keywords and phrases that people might use when searching for your content. Use tags. Make sure to add relevant tags to your videos to help people find them more easily. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and create a community around your channel. Encourage viewers to subscribe, like, and share your content. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media platforms and other websites, and collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers to reach a wider audience. Optimize your channel page. Make sure your channel page is visually appealing and easy to navigate, and add a channel trailer to give viewers a quick overview of your content. Publish new content regularly. Consistency is key on YouTube, so try to stick to a regular schedule for publishing new videos. Use analytics. Use YouTube's analytics tools to track your audience engagement and identify areas where you can improve your content. Remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Focus on creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience, and the traffic will come.